Hi, I'm Tara, the Senior Clinical Manager at Dermatology Office of Dr. Ellen Turner. In our office, we offer several options for hair regeneration and hair regrowth, including exosomal therapy and platelet-rich plasma in combination with nutritional supplements. Please contact our office to schedule a consultation at 214-373-7546.
Exosomes are the newest generation in naturally bioactive products for regenerative therapies and can be used to generate multiple types of tissue, including hair, collagen, bone, and soft tissue. At the dermatology office, Dr. Ellen Turner and her staff use only ExoFlow for its purity and potency compared to other exosomes in the market. ExoFlow is an extracellular signal product isolated from human bone marrow mesenchymal stem cells that contains growth factors and extracellular vesicles, including exosomes. These exosomes are not cells, but are tiny lipid vesicles that are secreted from cells and are approximately 1/1000th the size of a cell. The vesicles are regarded as the purest form of cellular signaling because their function is to direct tissue and wound healing by activating cell responses. In fact, they induce signals by cell-to-cell communication and can induce healing and tissue repair. Over 1,000 regulatory proteins, RNAs, and other biomolecules have been isolated within ExoFlow and help to modulate inflammatory healing processes by activating and recruiting local cells to revascularize areas and allow natural healing. ExoFlow for hair regrowth is much more effective than the older PRP technology. It requires typically 1 to 2 injections to see results, with 1 injection every 9 to 12 months for maintenance in male and female pattern alopecia. It is consistent and does not require a blood draw as with PRP, as ExoFlow comes from frozen concentrate. Ask Dr. Ellen Turner and her staff if ExoFlow is right for you and experience hair regrowth like never before.
Hi, I'm Mark, and I got the hair restoration treatment with the Nutrafol supplements, and I could not be happier with the results. I got just one treatment, and within 3 months, my hair started growing in thicker and fuller. I got the whole treatment done here in about 10 minutes in the office. I did not take any pain pills, did not do anything special beforehand or unique afterwards. The whole thing was done very quickly, easy peasy.